Hey everyone, if AnyDesk is not opening, gets stuck on startup, or closes immediately after launching, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to help get AnyDesk working again. First, restart your computer. Temporary system glitches are one of the most common reasons applications fail to open. Next, open Task Manager and close any AnyDesk processes running in the background. Yeah, stuck processes can prevent the program from launching properly. Try launching AnyDesk with administrator privileges. Permission issues can sometimes stop the application from opening. Make sure your internet connection is stable. So AnyDesk requires an active connection for many of its services. Some antivirus programs or firewalls may block AnyDesk. Temporarily disabling them can help determine if they're causing the issue. Make sure you're using the latest version of AnyDesk. Yeah, updates often include bug fixes and compatibility improvements. Corrupted temporary files can sometimes prevent applications from starting. Clearing them may solve the problem. Make sure your operating system is fully updated. Outdated system components can cause compatibility issues. If AnyDesk still won't open, uninstall and reinstall it completely. So a fresh installation can repair damaged program files. Malware or unwanted software can interfere with applications. Yeah, running a full system scan is always a good idea. If nothing works, contact AnyDesk support for additional help. They may be able to identify deeper software or compatibility issues, and that's it. Hopefully one of these methods helped fix the AnyDesk not opening problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.